Welcome to Uniguru, your trusted source for immigration updates. Today, we're excited to discuss a significant shift in UK immigration, the introduction of the UK eVisa. In this video, we'll explore what the eVisa is, why it's replacing BRP cards and paper documents, and how you can transition to this digital immigration system seamlessly. The UK is moving towards a fully digital immigration system with the introduction of the eVisa, an online record of your immigration status linked directly to your passport. The eVisa eliminates the need for physical documents like BRP cards, which will no longer be valid after the 31st of December 2024, and legacy paper permits, which can also be replaced for free. Getting your eVisa is simple. Visit government.uk/eVisa, create a UKVI account, and follow the instructions to upload any required documents, such as photos or fingerprints. If you have children using physical immigration documents, their records can also be transitioned to the digital system for added convenience and security. The eVisa offers multiple benefits. It can't be lost or stolen, provides instant proof of your rights, simplifies travel, and makes it easy to share your status with employers, landlords, and officials. Switching to a UK eVisa is a straightforward process that brings greater convenience, security, and efficiency to managing your immigration status. Remember, if your BRP card expires on the 31st of December 2024, it won't be valid anymore. Acting now will help you avoid last-minute issues and ensure a smooth transition. Switching to a UK eVisa is a straightforward process that brings greater convenience, security, and efficiency to managing your immigration status. If your BRP card is expiring or you're still using paper documents, take action now to ensure a seamless transition by visiting government.uk/eVisa. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on immigration changes and tips for staying ahead in the digital age.